What's up, pyros? Here's the two pallets I was talking about in the other video. Just got them home. About to rip open the plastic. Solar rain. And get into these things. Show of force. It's a good one. Ready, set, boom. Ready, set, boom. Got a couple of those. Oh, bounty hunter. Got a couple of those. Well, pyros, this is just the beginning. We'll show some more in a little bit. What's up, pyros? Got some big boys in. 260 shot. Think y'all seen that one. Got another one there. Two more there. One still right here in the package. Told you I was getting another shipment in. Got some more stuff. There. And there. Got a grave digger. It's a good one. Nashiki. Skyfall. There's a new one. That's a new one. I might have already seen it. Got some fountains. But these are the big boys. They last about 2 minutes. These things are huge. I'm a big guy. I don't know if y'all ever seen me, but these cakes are ginormous. So they're cool. They last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. There's 3 different kinds. So if you knew what they are, you know what they are. They've been out for a while, but I think they got some new covers. There's some stuff. I think I've already seen this. Some ups. So it's kind of a mess in here. I've had some people stop by, pick some stuff up, some friends and stuff. So, but I just want to show y'all these guys. I got 5 of them. Pretty cool. High Stepper's a new one. Some festival shells. Got a little stuff. Little ball shell. 10-ball Roman candles. Little stuff. So this thing right here is a beast. This is Where's it at? 360 shot. Little pig. It's a badass cake right there. That's a good one. Viagra. It's a good one. Some of these I think I showed you, they were still in the boxes. Got them out. So backyard pyro. I'm sorry, backyard battlefield. It's one of Dave's cakes. Display Fireworks 1. Some of y'all don't like them. He got some good cakes though. He really does. He got a line with the WF Boom and Jake's World Class. All his cakes are really good. So it's all stacked up in there. Y'all seen that before. All right, my phone's about to go dead. It's late. I just wanted to show y'all the new big boys I got in. Ginormous. And I love me a Gravedigger. So all right, y'all. Pyro out.